Okay, so I've taken the opportunity off camera to mount up the filament loader on top of the extruder I use for all my printers, the dual gear unit find on Amazon and Alibaba, just about everywhere. I like it. It's pretty solid. I haven't had any problems with all my printers in the past couple of years. So anyway, I've mounted it on top of it. Everything's been smoothed up. This filament here looks like, or it represents the filament that's about to run out, and it's already going through your printer. And then the new one coming in, I just load it by pressing in that button, push it down, it locks it in place, raise the swing arm up, and then I'm just going to fire an extrusion in order to show you what it does. And as you can see, the new filament is coming right on after it. You saw that little bit of gap because the first filament actually fell out after it passed by the drive gears. So I'll show that to you one more time, but this time I'll keep tension on it just to show that you know, the filament is literally right behind the first filament. Again, I'm just loading it. Pull the swing arm back, fire an extrusion. And I'm just, like I said, I'm just going to keep a little tension on it. And here comes the new filament right behind it. As you can see, they were right next to each other, and it just keeps on coming down. So that's it. As you can see, when it bottoms out, the little swing arm here hinges or hits the bottom stop, causing it to pivot downward and clears the path for the next filament, or so that it doesn't drag along the brass tooth. That was regular PLA filament. I'm going to run some TPU through it right now, just so you can see that it does work with some flexible filaments. See if I can find my other piece of cut off TPU. So as you can see, very springy, flexible filament. Let me just load up test piece. So there's the one that would be running through the printer already. Here's the new one. As you can see, I can't push it down until I push the button in, and then I can get another 10 millimeters out of it. Just pull the swing arm up, and then I'm going to hit another extrusion. And there you have it. So it does exactly what it's supposed to. I hope you guys like it, and hopefully you'll be interested enough to download it. I have it on Colts, on Colts 3D. I'm sure you're all familiar with, and I am releasing this as a separate file from the original one because there was a lot more engineering that went into this one. I spent a lot of time cleaning up the files so that it prints with very minimal effort. So I hope you like it, and till my next video, take care.